Alright, this one's being recorded on Thursday, but you'll be seeing it on the right day, Friday. I just recorded another one on Thursday that you'll be seeing the day that it's being posted. So, and then I'm going to get 2 more after this. But anyways, next, what am I most anticipating next? Let's go for the... Well, yeah, it's probably, it's this. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is, this was actually, I was really angry. When it was supposed to come out and we didn't get it, I was like, why? Because I was anticipating it, but I didn't realize that it was like a straight-to-DVD and VOD movie. So, here we go. You saw in the title, Woody Woodpecker. At least it's short. It's on my computer, just like the last one, in case I forgot to say it. Yes, I do. The voice is a little annoying, but the laugh is good. Oh.
It's okay, I met him in the forest.
God. I can't believe... Lassie, what are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god, no. No! Oh! I didn't even hear what he said, and I don't really care. Oh my god, no. This is awful. That kid's from Wonder, isn't it? Oh my god. No! If I had... I had something on my computer and it fell. I believe it. This is all really bad. Oh shit. Oh my god. No! If I had seen... I think that's what got interrupted by something falling off my laptop. I was gonna say that if I'd seen that trailer, I would have been like, that's coming out in theaters. That was really bad. But I was kind of anticipating it because I really liked Woody Woodpecker. I really like Woody Woodpecker. I mean, he's not really huge or anything, but, you know, so I was looking forward to this. And then it had Lassie from Psych. So, Timothy Omenson, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. But yeah, that looks really bad. But anyways, so yeah, that's it now.